Hey guys, welcome. You the intro.
Welcome back, my big noise crew. I got Angie in real life again here with me, y'all. Y'all seen her yesterday on the live. She is over here now teaching me how to look at that light. You see how good my lighting is? She's teaching me how to use natural light to record and actually have a good, good setup. So right now she's helping me set up for the video that y'all are about to watch. I hope you like that little clip that me and Angie just did. But as y'all know, yesterday we had our housewarming, and Angie had went live for me. She was hosting it for me. So I wanted to come back and show you guys some of the things that we got. Well, most of the things that we got yesterday. I do have stuff coming in the mail. I actually had got something already today. Friends that couldn't make it decided to send things to us. So I wanted to show you guys what we got yesterday. So stay tuned. So someone had gave us this, a friend of ours, and it say yay, yay, yay on it. It's a gift card. So we got, because my husband and I requested gift cards. We didn't at the time do a registry, but now we have one because those that didn't come would like to send something. So we got a Walmart gift card, and it says cheers to love on it, and it's from a friend of ours. I know exactly who gave that to us, sister in Christ. And then as y'all see, I don't know if you can see, we got a big thing of toilet paper. Okay, it is ultra premium toilet paper, 45 large rolls, which we need because we got 3 bathrooms now. And then we also got 15 mega rolls, 150 paper towels, and they came from Sam's Club. But Angie was the one that got it for us, guys. Angie in real life, she got that for us, the paper towels and the toilet paper, which we need. And then she turns around and get us this. So now we have a Sam's Club membership. She gifted me and my husband a Sam's Club membership, so now we can personally go get things in bulks from there. We usually do BJ's, but now we can go to Sam's Club as well to get our items. Thank you so much, Angie. You know that was a big deal to me. They're having a big family. Angie in real life and her husband also gifted us with this here stand for our TV in the living room. We're going to mount it later. It won't be mounted to the wall, but it will be mounted up. And this is another gift that they gave us. I'm so excited, guys. You know I've been waiting to get a stand. I'm not going to read all these cards, but we got a card. And then we also got, boom, a Lowe's gift card. So we can get some things from there as well. Excited about that, y'all. Okay, we're not doing any home improvement yet, but we can get other things that, what we're doing to my home improvement, we're going to change out, of course, the doorknobs, because we cannot sand these doorknobs that the house came with. But we're not going to do a lot of big home improvement yet because you don't want to mess with the home while it's under warranty, because then they won't take care of it. Okay. So we are not going to do much. We did get another card from my auntie, and she put some money in it, y'all. Okay. So everybody, I don't want to read the cards on camera because I'll be over here crying. Just to be honest, the cards touched my heart so much. My husband and I had him read them when we went through them because I was just a big ball of tears when I read them. So then 2 of my sister in Christ, they got us a card, and then they got us gift cards. So like I said, we requested gift cards, so a lot of people got us different kinds of gift cards. Then we got another card, and then of course it has a gift card, and it's another Lowe's gift card, y'all. So we would definitely be utilizing these gift cards. And then, okay, another gift card that I already showed. Then my friend got me a candle, and this candle smells amazing. It is a coconut crystal, is what it's called. Coconut crystals 3 wick, and it smells like coconut, y'all. It smells so good. It smells like love and a candle, okay? And then she also got us an Amazon gift card, which I will totally be utilizing. I'm Amazon freak, okay? I enjoy Amazon. And then my friend slash sister, she did 3 things. These 3 things that's up here is from one person, okay? Rebel, that was inside the live yesterday, Rebel Goyam, this came from her. So y'all remember that I had a early housewarming gift from her, from me and my husband, and it had the wine and things inside the basket, and she made crab dip. Well, she told the kids that that was just for mommy and daddy, but I have something for you guys when the housewarming comes. So she sure enough did that, guys. She actually made them a movie night basket, okay? It got, these are mine. My daughter took it out. That goes in that one. Because I didn't go through stuff last night, y'all. So she got the baby. He has his LED light, projector light for when they have their movie night for just him. And then she got them some popcorn bags and some popcorn that you put on the stove, which I absolutely love these. It takes me back to childhood every time I see them. And then she got them some cream-filled chocolate cakes. And she got them some Potter's Sugar donuts to go for their movie night. And I just absolutely love that. And then she also had like these, but it looks like one of the kids done took it out. What am I? We can see your hand. And then she also had got, like I said, looks like one of the kids took it out, but she had also got him some little crayons that you drop inside the bathtub for him. It ain't got nothing to do with movie night, but she just got it for him. And I absolutely love that she thought of the kids. The other bag that she had gotten the kids, because she got 2 of them for the kids. And this one I fell in love with, okay? Because it has all things cleaning in it for the kids. Okay? That's mine. I don't know how my stuff got in there. But all things cleaning. She got them this, the scrub with. You put water and soap in it. Then she got the scarring sponges for them. This is for the kids, okay? For them to clean. And then she got a multi-purpose cleaning cloths. And she got them 2 bottles of these. So one's for the girls, one for the boys. One's green and one's purple. And the reason why she got them these kind of bottles versus actual cleaning is because she knows that I use all natural products. So I actually mix my products inside these kind of bottles anyway. So I'll be able to, they'll have their own personal ones. They don't have to bother mommies, right? Then she also got them 2 trash cans. So while they clean, they can put their stuff in the trash and dump it out. They have trash cans in their bathrooms, but this is for like all things cleaning. So even if they're cleaning up the room, they can dump that trash in here, because you'll see why I said that. She got them also, and I absolutely love this. So she got that for them so that they can also have these chore charts. Chore charts, y'all, and they go on my refrigerator. They are magnetic. It says the goal. Did they meet the total goal? Their reward for it. They have daily goals, daily chores, and then it has the week of the day, how many points they got out of that day. So she got 4 of them, so it's like 2 boys to each, and then all 3 of the girls will have theirs together. And then also I can separate it, and I can put their actual 1 by 1. So it's like 3 of the big chore charts and then 3 of the smaller ones for them. So I love this. She is so thoughtful with the way she did the gift. So one gift, as I showed you, was the movie night for the kids, and then this is for their chores. So now I can start getting that set up, because right now they don't even have chores. They just kind of been doing what I tell them to do versus already knowing what to do. So this will help me get way more organized. We're still trying to get settled in here, so don't judge me, guys, okay? So now this box is for me. The first 2 things you seen was for the kids, and this box here is for me. So it's actually a prepping box. She's going to teach me how to prep for the week. She's going to start coming over here and teach me how to get the food and stuff prepped for the week. Yeah, I'm a mom of 8, and we have a family of 10. I should have had this down pack, I know, but it is what it is. I always had a hard time doing it, but she is a boss with it, and she's gonna come and help me out. She's a family of 9, 7 kids, her and her husband. So she got me some Ziploc bags, and on these Ziploc bags, it actually has like the day, time, the year, all things on it. Absolutely love that. It's prepping, so I understand why she got those. I never thought to get those. I never seen those before. And then she got the smaller ones for me. They're freezer bags. And then she also got me cover up variety pack that you put over like bowls and things. My daughter opened up the Ziploc bags thinking that's the ones I was telling her to get yesterday. And then I'm gonna put this on the floor. Did you see how cute that box was? She decorated the box. Like, this girl is so creative, y'all. I'm telling you, she's a graphic designer, so she's very creative, and she's an artist. Love her artwork. So she got me a cup that says happiness grows here. How cute is that? Happiness grows here. Absolutely love that cup. I'm gonna definitely be drinking out of it. And then she got one that says home sweet home. I love it. I'm such a crybaby. I feel like I'm about to cry all over again. Like, it's bad, y'all. This show, people show you real love, man. I'm telling you. And as y'all know, I did not have this before, so I'm excited about this because one of my kids put some raisins in here. I had remember when we was making the cake, and I was like, oh, I ain't got no measuring cup. Measuring glass. Now I do. Thank you, Rebel G. Goyam. Appreciate you, girl. And then she gave me some measuring spoons, which I need. So she gave me everything, things that I need. I'm gonna need it for the prepping, but you know, most likely use it ahead of time as well. She even got me magazines. It says all the time best freezer meals. So I can go in here and start looking at some freezer meals that I can make in advance. And then she got one called, oh Lord, sweet spreads. Lord, treats for holidays, parties, kids, sports, events, and more. Lord, the kids will have fun with that one. And then she got me a over the cabinet tile bar, so I can put my towels over it if I would like to go this route for my towels. And then, how did she know I needed this? How did she know I needed this? Because I'm trying to get away from the non-stick pans, because you know that's not good for us. All the stuff that it push out when you cook into our you know, into our food and stuff. So I've been trying to go the glass route, but they're so expensive. But she got me this, and I'm just, I'm like, goodness, how did she know I needed it? She's a mom, so she understands. She knows. She's like, I'm pretty sure Emily doesn't have this yet. Let me get it before somebody else does. Okay, so then she got me some Sure Fresh reusable bags, so you can put like your fruits and veggies that look like they have as the examples to put in. Cute little baggies to put in there. These are cute and they're reusable. So they're Ziploc bags. And like I said, we're going to be prepping a lot with this thing, so I understand why she got that. And then she got me also the big reusable bags, 4-pack. And then she got me this, and I was like, oh, I can't wait. I got to figure out where to put it at in the house. But how cute is that? Home is where mom is. Home, you know, moms make the home. Okay, I don't care where the lie's at. Moms make the home. Oh, and then also this goes with the kids. I don't know how I got it in mind, but this goes with their chores. So dirty, clean, flip, and you put it on the refrigerator. This goes with the kids stuff. I don't know how their stuff got mixed in. Then she got me spring tableware. So I'm guessing, what is this? What is this? It's linen. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it's a runner, but I'm not sure. But this spoon, I'm trying to get switched over to all things wood too, guys. So she knows my heart. She's my sister, okay? She's my sister, and she knows my heart. She's like, Emily's gonna love this. Let me get this for her. This is so cute. I don't even want to take it apart, man. I feel like I can stick it like in a basket and use it as like a centerpiece. It's springy. Yeah. Y'all see where I'm going there? I hope y'all see where I'm going there. And then she got me a hamburger grill. It's for 9 mini hamburgers. This is so cute. When I seen this, I was like, oh my gosh, I would never thought to get this. It has, and it opens up. That thing is so cute. I can't wait to grill. My husband's ready to grill because it's starting to get warm here in Delaware. And he is just like so ready. He's so ready, guys. And then, a cutting board. A cutting board. This made my heart so happy, y'all, because I need a cutting board. You remember, like I said, she had gotten me and my husband that early gift, housewarming gift, and had that board in it. I was using that to use as a cutting board until I get one, and now she done blessed me with a cutting board, and she had no clue. So I'm excited about that. She got me a cutting board, guys. I am so excited about it, like really excited about it. But I'm gonna grab my last gift, which actually came in on the set this few minutes ago. So this came from my sister Jen. And it says, to the Newton family. I'm not sure what she got us, but I am about to check it out, check it out, check it out, right? Oh my gosh, she got my stainless steel. She got my stainless steel set. OMG. Who's excited? Who's excited? I'm excited. Like I said, I was trying to get away from all those things. Silicones and things. Oh my gosh. So she got the 11-piece stainless steel kitchen set that I was eyeing. It has all things. Oh my gosh. Should we open it? Let's open it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Of course it has the holder. Okay. It has the masher. I know, I'm weird. All these crazy noise. Oh, here's the masher. Hold on, ain't that a masher too? What is that thing called, y'all? And I got my tongs, which I need some more of. And this is all stainless steel, guys. And it has a spoon. Look at my spoon. These are things I need, so I'm so excited. Okay. It's like a lot of spoons, the soup spoon, the strainer spoon, all spoons. Hold on, let me get a better look at these. Spatula.
Hold on.
Spatula. Stainless steel, y'all. Your girl is getting better, okay? Stainless steel, y'all. Your girl is getting better, okay? Stainless steel. Mac and cheese. Pasta. Can't wait. Okay. I call this my soupy spoon. Ooh, stainless steel. Stainless steel. I forgot what this here one is called. But it's all stainless steel, y'all. Who's excited? I'm excited. If nobody else is excited, I'm excited. I'm excited. Woo, 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 woo. It's the little things, y'all. Which is actually big because this thing was expensive on there. So cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's Monday already, y'all. Goodness gracious. And another spatula. My grilling spatula. Okay. So that's it. That's all for now. That's it. That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in, y'all. Angie in real life, shout out to you for setting me up, girl. Now I know how to use set up to actually get some good lighting. It's so beautiful. That natural light is giving all that it needs to give. So I appreciate you, girl, for setting me up, teaching me how to set up. And I thank y'all for tuning in, seeing all the goodies we got. And today's Monday, so you already know. Don't be bitter. Don't even be mean. Give someone a hug today. I don't got Grace in here, but give someone a hug today and have a blessed week.